All right, I could not find a video on YouTube for how to do this without an air hammer, but I've got stubborn rear shock upper mount bolts. That one didn't break, so maybe we don't have a video. That one didn't break either. It's unfortunate. You know what I can do? I can show you how to pound out the nuts, because I'm gonna have to do that anyways because of what I'm gonna do here. Yep. I'll just pound out these nuts. Let's pretend like this is broken. Well, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna replace these. So knocking them out's not a big deal. Turn this around. Give myself a bigger target. See? Hope I'm not creating a problem for myself here. Gonna whack it pretty hard, as I think I've made obvious. Not full of rust. Yummy. There she is. You can see it's got little welds, 6 of them, 1 on each corner. Just gotta smash it out. Let's do the other one. Sorry for all the rust falling on the camera. I don't know how else to do this. I guess I'd get a tripod, but I don't have one right now, so. That one came out way easier. I'm just kidding. This one, there isn't a good spot to put the punch. It's actually isn't a punch, it's a finish nail driver. Let's keep it going. It'll come out eventually. Oh, what am I laying on? A little rock under my back. All right, let's see if we can do this. Thumb's getting tired. It's starting to move. I can see a gap on this backside here. There it goes. There we go. It's out. Okay, the moral of this story is take off these lines if you want to be able to get back in there. There it is. That took long enough. Looks like somebody, look at that. There's a bolt in there and someone tapped a new hole through it. Halfway through it. Must have been when they put the 3-inch lift on this. I bought this Jeep with the 3-inch lift on it. I think that's what it is, at least a 3-inch. I guess they had this problem, but instead of removing these and putting in new nuts, they just tapped a new hole right through the broken bolt. Guess that works. Anyways, that took long enough, but those are both free now. I'm gonna use these flag nut deal. This flag nut deal that has, it's like a, I'll put a link to it, an Amazon link to it, but it's like a Y-shaped piece of metal with 2 nuts welded on it. You just insert it through here and it puts your 2 nuts behind there in the right orientation. And I'm gonna put Terraflex bar pin eliminator over it, red Loctite those bolts. I plan on never removing them ever again. And then mount my shock with a bolt through the bar pin eliminator bracket, both sides. That's what I'm gonna do. There it is. Using a hammer and a punch, a makeshift punch. Good luck, guys.